Hello to all, and I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and I know I've already mentioned or hinted that we are working on the HOROPEDIA encyclopedia project, but today I finally wanted to share with you many more details about this ambitious and meaningful endeavor, fully centered around the notion of transmission of knowledge. There is a lot at stake, and basically we want to document all the watchmaking know-how for current and future generations, and to do so with a totally neutral and independent approach. And we want HOROPEDIA to be a federating project for the better of the entire watchmaking ecosystem.